behalf of Southwest Airlines and this flight crew, we'd like to be the first ones to welcome you to Las Vegas. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened, your seat backs and tray tables in their full upright and locked position. All of your carry-on items must remain under the seat in front of you until we arrive at the gate and the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Also be very careful, folks, when you do open up those overhead bins. Items tend to shift during flight and they could fall out. You may use your cell phones to talk or text at this time, but please do not undo your seat belts to retrieve them. If you're connecting here to another Southwest Airlines flight, simply check the TV monitors in the terminal for your flight and gate number. Certainly have enjoyed sharing a very short part of your day with you today. We know you have lots of choices when you fly. We thank you so much for choosing us here at Southwest Airlines. Have a wonderful morning. Come back and see us again real soon. And welcome to Las Vegas.